We get by, we always do. Running through the fire like it's win or lose. Do or die.
Welcome to Koh Phi Phi. Today we are heading to the beach to get a boat. We're going to get a long-tail boat and head out for the afternoon to explore the island. This is our driver.
Driver.
Kun chu rai krap?
Deng.
Dang. Okay, his name is Dang.
Now we are Ao Nui, Ao Nui Bay.
We just pulled into this small little bay. A lot of these areas you can only get to by boat. So when you get there, there's no one else here.
There's a song in my head, wanna play it again. Soundtrack to the best days we ever had. You're the one on my heart, erasing all my scars. So I so bad. I am better whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice comes through to me in every single.
What do you think of this place?
Beautiful. Till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down.
So your name is Dang?
Deng.
Dang, okay. And how long have you been on Phi Phi?
Oh, long time. 30 years.
30
more.
years. So were you here when there was a tsunami here?
Yes, yes.
So what happened? Can you tell me about the tsunami?
Tsunami, I stay on the boat in the Maya Bay.
Oh, you were in Maya Bay when it happened.
Maya Bay, little. I don't know. Tsunami come. I don't know, but I know no water.
Yeah, the water went out.
Very low. Water very low. No water. But I see speedboat come before tsunami come. Go to on the beach. I see why no water. I don't know tsunami come or not. I don't know.
Wow.
Because first time tsunami come, not same Phi Phi Don. Phi Phi Don big problem on the beach everywhere. Boat
Yeah, flipped over. Yeah.
broken everywhere.
Do you have a family here or somewhere else?
I have family in Phi Phi Island. Tsunami come one daughter die in Phi Phi Island for tsunami.
Wow.
One daughter.
This is a very beautiful place.
Yes. Everybody want to come, but tsunami come, no problem. 2 months, 3 months, everybody come Phi Phi Island, but now come cannot come to here. Different everything. Big problem.
Well, after a lot of people are going to come here,
Oh.
and if they come to Phi Phi, they need to find Dang.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Dang was great. He was really nice. He helped us get exactly where we wanted. He was helping us take photos. He would make suggestions. He was a really great guy. It's only about 2 o'clock now, so there's plenty of time in the day to keep exploring. All right, guys, we are on our way to a viewpoint on top of this mountain. Apparently there are amazing views of the island from there. So Barry looked it up and now we're heading up there now. I'm noticing a trend on this trip where everything is harder than I think it will be. If you're not in shape, Thailand can definitely help with that. There are no elevators in Thailand. Just stairs and cliffs and ropes. Wow, this is a good view. You can see both sides of the village down there. You've got the bigger bay on one side and the smaller bay where the ferry comes in on the other side. Apparently there is another viewpoint up here, so we're gonna climb up a little further and check that out. There was a monkey in that tree and he just threw a coconut out of the tree. This is an amazing view. Check this out. Alright guys, that is it for Koh Phi Phi. Tomorrow we head back to Bangkok and we start another adventure. This island has been great, even if it is really quiet right now. I know it's normally a party island and this year it's been a lot different because of COVID, but the people were still welcoming and the views were still amazing, so I would be happy to come back here in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of Thailand, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next one.